Hey everybody, it's JoJo from ChefsTemp. Hope you're fantastic. It's my pleasure today to introduce you to the Quad XPro. It's our brand new featured product to the market. It's our wireless alarm thermometer. It's super fantastic. If you're barbecuing and smoking, you have 4 different channels, 3 different cooks. You've got your handy dandy remote that if you go up to 500 feet away, you can still monitor the temperature of what's smoking and grilling in the back in the barbecue or your smoker. And it will beep or buzz at you if your temperature is going too low or too high. This is splash proof, so I can wipe it down. It's able to go up to 700 degrees, so you're never in fear of burning it out. We hope you love it. We love it. See you soon.